Hey everyone, Dominique here with your Goodshuffle Pro monthly product update. Goodshuffle Pro is the software that event professionals use to grow and scale their event business. This month is a packed one, with some amazing features rolling out and sneak peeks at what's coming soon. First up, the one that a lot of you have been asking about. AI search is now in beta. With AI search, you can now search for something in your inventory the same way you describe it to your client. Think round white dinner table or modern velvet lounge furniture. And Goodshuffle Pro will pull up matches based on what you mean, not the exact name of the item. So whether you're working off of a client's vibe or simply thinking out loud, finding the right inventory just got a lot more flexible. If you're a current Goodshuffle Pro user and interested in learning more about this beta, reach out to your customer success partner to learn more. Next, a couple updates coming soon that'll make quoting and updating contracts much faster. First, the ability to copy and paste line items. That's right, copy and paste. You'll be able to copy line items and packages, contents and all, right inside that contract. You can copy things one by one or batch a few at a time. Either way, no more rebuilding those groupings. We've also made quantity editing faster. You'll be able to update the quantity of items from the line item view. No more hitting edit first. Small change, but huge win. Especially when you need to get that quote out ASAP or that client is called for the 4th time, changing their headcount. And my favorite thing to do, giving you a sneak peek. Inventory blackout dates are coming very soon, meaning you'll be able to mark items unavailable for a set period of time. Think if you have items that are set for repair in a few months, set aside for personal use, or they're only available for certain times of the year, giving you more control over your inventory. I'm even more excited to say this lays the groundwork for company-wide blackout dates. So stay tuned. Next, I've got a heads up for those of you that love using Dispatch. Dispatch SMS is closer to getting rolled out to everyone. Dispatch SMS lets you or your team send delivery updates to your clients directly from Goodshuffle Pro via text. So if you're currently in that beta, be sure to continue giving the team your feedback. And while we're on the topic of Dispatch, weight tracking version 2 and Dispatch containerization are also still in the works, both of which will give you more control on how you plan and load your trucks. We'll dig into that more once those are live. Next, that multi-brand support that we had been teasing for a bit is now in a private beta. So a couple of users are currently running multiple businesses under the same Goodshuffle Pro account. This is ideal if you have multiple showrooms that are branded slightly differently, but use the same inventory. So different branding, but same login. This is also the groundwork for more support for multi-warehouse, but we'll save that for another time. This one was a private beta, so while limited, you can still reach out if you have questions or simply want to learn more. And lastly, I've got some updates on payouts. First up, that 25-cent fee that gets deducted from your daily payouts has now been fully removed. So you won't see that deducted from your daily rolling payouts anymore. And the other update I've got is a pretty big one. We've added a new option called IBP, Instant Bank Payments. These are payments similar to ACH, but the payment hits your bank account much sooner. Here's how it works. So your current payment policy may be 14 days out final payment. So a typical ACH payment would work fine. But what about those last minute clients that still want to pay ACH? You'll have the option to switch to an instant bank payment. So instead of that processing time with typical ACH, you'll get immediate payment confirmation and the funds will settle the same way that credit cards do. And you're still protected from any of that bounce back transfer that can happen with ACH. If you already have ACH turned on, IBP is available. If you have questions, reach out to your customer success partner to learn more. So that's May. A few new tools to make your day-to-day faster, a couple of betas we're excited to roll out, and even more on the way. If you're already using Goodshuffle Pro, head into your account to check out some of these updates or reach out to us. We're more than happy to help. And if you're not yet using Goodshuffle Pro, why not? Book some time with us. We'd love to show you these updates and more. Links in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next month.